The manufacturing industry today runs on speed. Downtime costs are immediate. Factory data is abundant, but not always unified. Due to data silos, visibility and insights often lag behind. But without them, real-time decisions are almost impossible. To provide manufacturers with insights to answer crucial questions and inform decision-making, FPT developed Flezi UDP, an AI-powered unified data platform that brings all manufacturing data into a single source of truth, with built-in AI that turns unified data into real-time, actionable insights. Flezi UDP collects real-time data from various sources at the factory. The built-in AI engine continuously analyzes shop floor data in real time. It detects abnormal machine behavior early, identifies energy inefficiencies, and predicts potential downtime. Most importantly, it shows the impact across production lines, enabling real-time intervention even when managing factories remotely. With real-time data unified and AI-driven insight applied, manufacturers using Flezi UDP have achieved up to 10% reduction in unplanned downtime, 35% savings in machine-related operations, new machines connected in minutes, not weeks. Flezi UDP is part of Flezi Astra, FPT's flagship AI-first platform for solving manufacturing challenges with tailored solutions built for AI-augmented factory, digital operations core, and physical shop floor. Leveraging over 20 years of experience in delivering end-to-end solutions for manufacturers worldwide, our solution is designed to be scalable across sites, flexible through composable building blocks, and adaptable to existing IT landscapes, with an aim to drive digital agility and smarter decision-making. Flezi UDP, AI-powered unified data platform, a solution by FPT.